Jude. Jude.
Look at mommy.
Hey.
Look at mommy.
How old are you today? He's 1? Hey, buddy.
He's a sweaty one.
Hi. Hi, nature boy. Look at where we are. Look at this pretty hike we found. Wow. Jude, say hi. Can you walk today? Can you walk?
Almost. Almost.
Almost. Good boy. Love you, buddy. Say hi.
Hi, mommy.
Kai's in the tropical forest. This looks like a backdrop, like it doesn't even look real, but it does. Here's our trail. We gotta go up, up, up. Alright, say goodbye. Bye, Jitterbug. Love you.
Bye.